In this video, I will show you how to use expert option application. So in order to use it, I have in here this application open. So you can choose in here your investment. It's on the increment of $5. So as of right now, I'll actually wager $60 and you can choose in here the deal duration according to your liking. You can also sell or buy. For this case, I'll buy right here. And the goal for buying is to stay above the green line that we can see right here. So once it ends, you can see in here the green vertical line. Once we reach that vertical line, we should be able to see in here if we actually earn something. So for this case, just head over and then wait for it to actually finish. And then once it's finished, we should be able to see if we earn. So I have wagered $60, and once it's done, you should be able to see in here the earning. I earned $113 after that.